President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Party ba Vincent H. Palau Loong ba Nongilam ka Congress Legislature Party Dr. Mukul Sangma dan daw AA bat kumu President hakaba kilayakran ru mendagasngi hakajinge kendo hapo Pradesh Election Committee. Havaikran bat kila pathai kubor ba Palau wa itu ba hakajinge kran bat Dr. Mukul dan daw AA Henry ka ba Dr. Mukul upen pa golong ba smotanat ya rukom le jong kinongilam ka AICC ibala ya like you claim de slok habashimi kra nakabda ka party ha jalla halor kajimi khubor kendrum kendra ma ka party khamtam ba hinin gasni ka bakado ba Dr. Mukul ulasdang ban khro ya ki para MLA ban mino na ka Congress uba pala waithu ba nakalyang kinongilam ka AICC kilakali halor jinglong jingban jo ka party ha jalla Hande hadu menta ka klem pan satya ya ganu ka kai pot. Ba pala long ba ka Congress ka de ka yeng ka sem ka bahe bat ka jingduna hang ne hang tai kin don ki ba malung mala namar ka Congress kala de kum ka school nagam ta ki nongelam sing san berthai da ka bandra ba ki briu ki badan menta ha ka sarkar MDA ru ki de ki bla pass na ka Congress bat kum ju hapokri India kuma life percent ki de ki nongelam ke blami na ka Congress Ulong bakam dan jing pra Hendra ke datang ke jing nyat bat yatan markeliang kumba ke julong haki wei ki jaitam.
Thank you. Actually, I came very late last night. I reached Shillong by 1 o'clock in the morning. So honestly, because in Delhi also I had a meeting with the finance minister. Next day there was a bishop's ordination. So I could not follow the news properly, and then I'm yet to find out the details, but I think rather you know better and they know better. So I don't want to repeat. I think Dr. Mukul Sangma was here. You should have asked him. And the rest of people, I think you know better. So yesterday's actually whatever happened, I'm not much aware of. I know that they had a meeting in Dr. Mukul's place, but when I asked the MLAs, then they said that. No, your normal meeting, whenever the CLP calls us, they always have discussions about elections or party matters and all. So I don't think that is much. Beyond that, I don't know. I mean, honestly speaking, because I was not there and all this. You know, because I've just joined, I've not even seen even 1 minute in the office, because after I took over on 18th, then my office was undergone for renovation. And lots of the committees have not been reconstituted. So we have a system in the party where we have the disciplinary action committee if somebody complains, and we have also a system in the party where to address all these issues. And even I was talking to Dr. Mukul now also, he said that Delhi has called him. What I talked to Dr. Mukul is that it has nothing to be against me, because Dr. Mukul told me that the way they appoint the president, be it me, but anybody, should we have been consulted with the CLP or the senior leaders in the party. So personally, there's nothing with me and him, or there's nothing to be done much. But I think Dr. Mukul said that the ICC did not consult him. So nothing to do with me. I have not even taken any decision. There's no such a decision which I've taken against be it MLA or Dr. Mukul, anybody. So what I discussed with him about these issues, I think it has to do with the ICC, nothing to do with me. No, there's ICC, just over phone they said anything a problem, and I told them I'm in Delhi. So what's happened? So they did not ask any such a report as such, I don't know. I don't think they asked any such a report at all. So I think rather speculations is more than that, maybe, but nobody tells the truth, of course, you know better than me. So, but as far as I'm concerned, I always want to be transparent in life, be it any part. So definitely when we have a committee in place, when we inquire, and then when the ICC will give us, if they ask us any report, then definitely we'll give them the fair and transparent report. But as of now, I have not got anything that they've asked for a report on the issues. Rather, Dr. Mukul told me that they've called him to Delhi. So we'll see what they discuss with him in Delhi. See, I don't have much interest in my personal life. You know, my interest is always for the party. You've seen many people say that Pala is a businessman. So he'll look more to his business than the politics. But I think for 12 years I've been in politics. I don't do a single business. I'm totally give service to the people. So here, so in the party, so I don't have interest for my brother, my family, or my friend here. My interest is only for the party. So if we have interest for the party, and I too don't think that NPP or UDP or my friend or my personal friend, that is something is personal. I never take my personal into the party matter. Party will be strictly for the party, and personal is a separate issue. And I may have a good relation with any individual in different parties. For example, UDP, my ba and me is related. He used to call me father-in-law, and like Bapal is also, he called me uncle, but he fought against me because he represents that party. Medba also same thing. And if you see Vanmeroy and me also, we are related from right from because from Java and with my mother-in-law. But that is a separate issue. Conrad was an MP in Delhi, and his dad was a dear friend of mine. When we work, I'm a general secretary of the Northeast MPs Forum. So his dad used to be the chairman. So I was close right when his dad was there. And even when Conrad was, when he was an MP, so we travel all over the world together. So that is a personal. So we should not bring, be it me, be it him, we don't bring that personal into the welfare of the party or into the interest of the party. I think it's wrong to say that inclination, this inclination, that. I don't have any inclination with any parties, but I do respect every party, be it small or big, or every individual. So I don't think that this will affect the party's performance or their party's performance. We had a meeting for normally before recommending the names of any candidates. We screened whether the papers are all right, and then what is the recommendation from the block, from the district, and this is a top election committee in the state. So we also further find out whatever recommended is all right. Then again we send to Delhi. The names will be declared from Delhi. So it is confidential. So the name will be declared from Delhi. I think Dr. Mukul already briefed you. But I don't think there's much hype than rather what actually happened. I don't think that there's a problem within the party. Rather, we are united. I think you see the moods of the people, and everywhere. I think the workers and all the way they have met us. I think the more about our perceptions and the hype of whatever is happening, I think that's more. I think in ground, I think people are very happy, and then we have to work very hard. I met the people from Karo Hills. I went that day to Karo Hills yesterday also. Quite many of them leaders came to Guwahati also and joined the party also. I don't think that much. I think people are in favor of the Congress, and the small thing it happens. Actually, Congress is a big family and is dynamic in politics. You've seen half of the cabinet here in the present government is all pass out from the Congress and join there. And some of them may join back, some of them may stay there. So that's the beauty of the Congress, It's like a school for the politics in Meghalaya or in any part of India. You see almost 30% of the politicians in BJP also are from the Congress only. So these are normal where we do have not exactly a problem, but we do have a push and pull because you have to live with it. It's be it in the family, be it among the press, be it amongst the system. There's no denying the facts that in the Congress also naturally there will be competitions amongst each other. There will be push and pulls all over, be it in UDP, be it in BJP. You have seen BJP; they have got only 2 MLAs. But I don't think they have that. I think we in the Congress, we are better position than them. And you see UDP also the same thing, NPP rather also same thing. And I'm told that the cabinet and the NPP also, they don't talk to each other, they don't see eye to eye so sometimes. So that's maybe a perceptions. So but in reality, we all work for the interests of the people and the interests of the party. Like in the religion amongst the Christians, we said that we have different ideas, different faith, whatever, but all binds us is the Holy Spirit. So same thing also, what we are in the party also, we may have a different views, we agree, disagree, but all our binds us together is the party and the decision of the High Command. So definitely there's nothing much to worry about the overall performance of the party.
Congress is larger than personalities. Opinions are very forthcoming in our party because we are democratic in nature. And in a democratic situation like the provisions of our own party constitution gives us the space to discuss a lot of these issues. X person may be unhappy about something, he has the platform. But in this particular situation, let me tell you something, it is driven by other factors as well. You should not forget that in the immediately after the announcement of the polls, suddenly there is this following of one of our members, and our opponents are obviously trying to cash in and distract the faith that the public have in our party. So we will prove it to them that we are united. You've seen, we had the election committee today. Nobody was absent, everybody was present. So when it comes to taking decisions and doing the work, we are unanimous. We may have our own opinions, but it's okay. So that's why many personalities are envious of our party, because we are given the opportunity to discuss and express our opinions.